Gotta get rid of them hiccups. How are we gonna get rid of them hiccups? You're looking at me cross-eyed. Don't do that, it scares me. How do we get rid of them hiccups? Did I get rid of them? Oh, the hiccups are gone. Weird how that works. Oh, shoot, they're back. How can we get rid of them hiccups? How do we get rid of those hiccups? Let's think for a moment, little guy. Let's think for a moment. How do we get rid of them? Oh, you didn't like that either. I'm just trying to help you. Are they gone? I think they got rid of them, little guy. What do you think? I think the hiccups are gone. Oh, but you don't like it anyway. Oh. Meow, meow. No, thank you. I have to get rid of the hiccups. Oh. Oh. What are you cross-eyed for? You should be happy. The hiccups are gone. Yay. Yay, the hiccups are gone. Oh. 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 Oh, I think Mommy's home. I think Mommy's home. We want the hiccups back? No? Yeah. Mommy's home. Okay.